Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Wi-Fi network if it is not connecting. Anytime you try to connect any wireless network, it says that cannot connect to network. So without further ado, let's see how to solve this issue. So first, what you need to do is to disable the Wi-Fi and re-enable it to see whether it's going to work. Click on the Wi-Fi and then click on network and internet settings. Now under internet and network settings, now click on change adapter settings. Now this is a wireless adapter, so right click on it and disable it and re-enable it again. Right click on it and enable it again. So now let's try to connect again and see. This is our network. Enter your password. So you connect again, let's see. Okay, still saying that it can't connect. Alright, so now we move to the next step. Close this, and now what we need to do is to uninstall the drivers and try to install it again. So close here, close this. Now under your search bar, right click on your start button and click on device manager. Now on device manager, go to your network adapters, and here is a wireless adapter. So right click on it and uninstall it. Click on yes. Alright. Right click on it and uninstall. Alright. So once it's uninstalled, so go back to the search bar and search for the drivers, scan for drivers again. Okay, it has detected again. So now come down and try to connect again. Let's see. This is it. Connect this. Alright, now connect. Okay, still not connecting. Now click on the wireless network and then go to the network and internet settings again. Now scroll down, and then now we will try to reset the network adapter settings so it goes back to its default setting. So just click on network reset, and as you can see on the screen, regarding to the networking, it will reset everything back to its default settings. So as you can see here, if we go down, as you can see, the network is not available on the screen. We click on reset now, and yes. So as it is giving us time that Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Shut down. Alright. So we just wait patiently for it. Within 5 minutes, it will sign out, then restart our machine. Close this. I'll skip this video within the next 5 minutes. Then we continue with that. Just have to wait patiently for the minutes to be up, then it will restart automatically. Alright, as you can see, it's restarting, so we just wait for it to restart. So we just waiting on it to restart, then we'll try to connect again. Okay, now that our machine has been restarted successfully, so let's try to connect the wireless again to see our wireless network again to see if it works. So just go to the wireless network. Click on the wireless network. Now connect. What is our network? Right, as it is here. Just connect, try to connect again, and let's see. Now enter your password. Right, next. And yes. So just wait patiently for it to connect. Okay, as you can see, our network has been connected and there is internet. As you can see, it is being connected, just saying that connected and secured. I hope this was helpful. That is how to connect your network if you are having issues with Wi-Fi connection. Hope it helps, and thank you guys for watching. And if this video was helpful, kindly subscribe. If you are having any issue, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.